So today is October the 30th, and I got into managing the keywords for the YouTube channel I have, Practical Digital Strategies. And I thought, well, I should share that as a video. And so I did. And mastering your YouTube channel keywords is going to help you in your conversions and get you more traffic. And I've got it outlined in the Google document dated for today, October 30th. If you go to theguyarcookreport.podbean.com. I've got it linked in there, and I've also got it on guyarcook.com, probably the next day, okay? So you just log into your channel, tap your profile picture, up there in the top right, tap View Channel on the top, tap YouTube Studio, then go to Settings, and on the left, when you're in the studio, click on Channel, and under the basic info, you can supplement keywords, take keywords out, whatever you got to do to make it work. And it's easy as cake to do. So the ball's on your side of the net in this game of tennis. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on guyarcook.com. If you like this video, found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more valuable content on digital marketing and other things. It's a wrap.